You thought the Mustang GT couldn't get any wilder? Think again. Because what you're looking at isn't just a 2021 Ford Mustang GT. This is a full-blown, fire-breathing, tire-shredding beast that looks like it just escaped from a top-secret performance lab. Meet Leon's 55 years edition Mustang. And let me tell you, he didn't just add a few stickers and call it a day. This thing got the full VIP treatment. And it all starts with those absolutely outrageous 20-inch Barracuda Dragoon wheels from the Ultralight Series. We're talking flow-forged tech that makes them crazy light, but with a bronze finish so bold, it slaps you in the face against that liquid white paint. And yes, the stance, slammed with ST coilover springs. It's lower than your weekend standards. And the body kit? Oh, buddy. It's not subtle. It's not quiet. It's loud and proud, just like it should be. Maxton Design wrapped this pony up in blacked-out aggression. Roof, mirrors, emblems, gone. In their place, darkness. The front lip, the side skirts, the rear diffuser, all dialed to 11. And wait, we haven't even gotten to the main event. An AERO Dynamics GT3 style rear wing made of pure carbon fiber. Not fake carbon, not wrap, real. Freaking carbon. It's so wild, it's actually legal in Germany, which is saying something. But what's a muscle car without music, right? That's where the Grail XTREME exhaust system takes over. And when Leon fires up that 5-liter Coyote V8, the earth doesn't just shake, it screams. It's brutal. It's primal. It's the kind of sound that makes neighbors file noise complaints and car guys cry tears of joy. This isn't just a Mustang, it's a statement, and the streets will never be the same.